Hey, Max. Max is on his first visit to Mimi and Papa's.
Oh, but it's a good visit. Don't cry. Don't cry on the camera. It's a good visit. It's a boring yawn infested visit. As long as I can eat when I want to eat, I'm okay wherever I am. Wherever I am.
Hey, little fella.
Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, you see Daddy? You see the camera? See? Say hey, Daddy. Say hey,
Hands moving all around.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. Are we gonna finally hear you cry? Is that all?
You heard the.
Is that all you're gonna do? Oh my goodness, that's sad.
Oh, it's so sad.
That's so sad. That's
That was
about the
his cry
most.
right there.
Was that over?